At the end of round 4, Abetifi Presby Senior High School, 26 points. Adiembra Senior High School, 32 points. And St. Hubert Seminary Senior High School, 58 points. We move to round 5, the riddles round. In this round, I'll be reading clues, and contestants, you can stop me at any time by ringing your bell. A correct answer on the first clue, 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Any other number of clues thereafter, 3 points. But if you give an incorrect answer, you have to sit out for that riddle. Wait for us to move to the next riddle, then you can join in to the competition. Okay. Riddle number 1. We are a genus of ferns with a name that sounds like an insect vector. We are a genus of 6 or 7 species of aquatic ferns of the family Salvinaceae. We are distributed nearly worldwide, but are most diverse in tropical regions. We float on the surface of still fresh water, sometimes becoming stranded on muddy banks. We are cultivated for our agricultural importance, as well as sometimes in water gardens for our ornamental value. Our name is an allusion to the fact that we sometimes thoroughly cover the surface of the pond or other bodies of water, preventing mosquitoes and other insects from penetrating through to the water to lay eggs. Who are we? Adiembra Senior High?
Algae.
No. Abetifi Presby?
Salvinia.
No. St. Hubert? Samuel?
We have nephrolepsis.
Sorry?
Nephrolepsis.
No. Who knows? Anyone? An insect vector, mosquito ferns. That's the name, mosquito ferns. Riddle 2. I am a statistical measure. I am a measure of variability of data. There are different measures of variability. I am a particular measure of dispersion. I am without doubt the most important and most used measure of dispersion. I am the standard for St. Hubert's
Standard deviation.
That's correct. 3 points. Next, I am a non-metal element. I exist as a diatomic molecule. I am highly reactive. My name is derived from the Greek word for my color, which is greenish yellow. St. Hubert Seminary.
Chlorine.
Chlorine is correct. 3 points. The last riddle. Are we allowing cash out for 1,002? Or no? Okay. I am an optical device. I am composed of an optical cavity. I contain a gain medium enclosed by the optical cavity. I am a light emitter. St. Hubert Seminary. Samuel?
Laser.
Laser is correct. 3 points. And that ends round 5. Now back to our contest. At the end of the contest, Abetifi Presby Senior High School, 26 points. Adiembra Senior High School, 32 points. St. Hubert Seminary Senior High School wins with 67 points. Abetifi Presby Senior High and Adiembra Senior High, the journey ends here for you. But I'm hoping that next year you come back much better. Okay? St. Hubert Seminary Senior High, congratulations for winning this contest and qualifying for the quarterfinal stage.